All right, so we've checked into our 2-bedroom villa in Copper Creek Cabins at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. It's room 7108, and let's go in and take a look. Spoiler alert, I've already seen, and it is magnificent. Right on the other side of the door, we have Maddie. Okay, I don't even know where to start.
Start with the kitchen.
Start with the kitchen? Okay, so this is our glorious, beautiful kitchen. So cool. Ice bucket, toaster, oven mitts, in case you're gonna do some cooking while you're here.
We have a full-out oven.
All of the accoutrements here. Oh, good. We have ourselves a corkscrew and a bottle opener. Must have known I was coming. A giant knife in case of intruders. What's in here?
Spatulas.
More spatulas. Nice, nice.
Spoon, big spoon. Pots.
Okay, yes, pots and pans.
Oh, that's
Our coffee maker. It's a full regular Cuisinart coffee maker. That's nice. Joffrey's coffee. Travel cups. Oh, all kinds of Pyrex. Colanders.
lemonade maker.
Thing for lemonade. Here, silverware. Trash. Our lovely oven. Microwave.
It's like my microwave oven.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, okay. The plates and bowls. Coffee mugs. Glasses.
And
Oh,
a
a
popcorn.
popcorn bucket. How fancy. That's very cute. Even the fixtures are gorgeous. Look at that. Wow.
You say this is from Swag Mouth.
That's beautiful. We have a dishwasher.
Fire extinguisher.
All the stuff to do your dishes.
Some hand sanitizer stuff.
Full-size refrigerator, freezer. And then here you have your dining area. Hi.
And a whole backpack.
Yeah. And a nice seating area. And this couch actually pulls out into a queen-size bed.
My bed.
I don't think so. Coffee table that fits a child. That's good to know.
We can stuff them in there.
Huge TV.
Tell me what it should.
With tons of storage space. I mean, yeah, 3 really good-sized drawers on each side. So lots of storage space here. And here we have 2 queen beds. Another TV, entertainment center.
Okay, we need to do the bed test.
Hello.
All right, how is it? How is it?
It's still.
Passable?
Wait, do we have 3 balconies?
Oh,
That's my balcony.
where is that coming from? The lights above the bed are on a dimmer. That's cool. So this room has the 2 queen beds. Another telephone and more storage space. More storage space. Little seating area, which is cute. It's a beautiful mirror. And then you have sliding barn doors to this massive bathroom. It has a sink on this side with a huge mirror. Hi. More more beautiful fixtures. I love the fixtures. I love the countertops. That's pretty. And then check this out. A whole other one. All right, it's a full-on walk-in closet. I mean, look, it goes all the way around.
Hiding spot.
Tons of storage. Tons of storage in here.
Tons of hiding spots.
Tons of hiding spots, kid approved. And then here, we have your little toilet area. And here's the shower. And that's nice. Ooh. Oh, look. That's a nice shower. The shelf and a little thing to help you shave your legs. I always like that. All right. Oh, hooks. Tons of hooks for towels. I feel like that's something a lot of hotel rooms lack. All right. Scooting back by the kids. Enjoying the bed?
Yeah.
All right. Going back through. And here you have another huge closet. With your extra pillows and blankets and all of your stuff for ironing, your safe laundry basket, because right behind us,
Back.
you're back. What's behind that door?
This door?
No, this door.
No.
This, behind this sliding door,
What?
is your laundry.
No, it's not laundry. It's the future.
You have a cubby. This is really cute. Put your shoes or purses here, and you can hang stuff. And then check out this bathroom. Another big, beautiful sink. I mean, look at how big this sink is. Huge. Huge mirror.
I need to wash my hands.
Okay.
Chupa.
Tons of towels. Toilet situation. Another gorgeous, huge shower with a shelf. Another one of these like that. And then look at this. This is incredible. Through this sliding door, and in here, you have this gorgeous bathtub. Look at this. Look at it. And it's a jetted tub. Amazing. More hooks, tons of towels, huge sink, huge mirror, tons of lighting. I mean, look at that light. This is incredible. All right, through this door, you go back, and this is the master. Huge mirror, beautiful artwork. Little desk area. Look at this lamp. Your TV. Tons of storage space. Big, huge, beautiful king-size bed. An armoire. Oh my gosh, you really could live here for a long time. Here's one of the balconies. But I'll show you the balconies in the morning in the light of day. I can't wait for you to see the views. Incredible, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's morning, that means it's balcony time. Here's our view. And here's the balcony. There are actually 3 of them. There are 3 of them. There's one off of each bedroom, and there's one also off the family room. They don't adjoin, so you can have your privacy, but you can also peep over. Let's see what Donovan's up to. See you, young man. Keep it down over there. And that one right on the other side, that's us too. So that's it. This is our 2-bedroom villa here at Copper Creek at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know in the comments if you stayed here. We will definitely be back.